In the previous video, we went over a brief introduction about airspace classifications. Now we're going to look at Class B airspace or Class Bravo airspace. So for Class Bravo airspace, generally, but not always, from the surface, so from this bottom part right here, if you look at the airspace profile figure, it's from the bottom, the surface level, and in sectional charts, surface level is represented by the abbreviation of SFC. Surface. And so this goes from the surface to generally approximately 10,000 feet. Now this can vary between different airports, but kind of the default is from the surface to 10,000 feet. So just remember that surface at 10,000 feet, that is Class B, Class Bravo, Bravo for big, airspace. And then it's going to consist of one surface layer, so that's going to be this bottom layer right here. And then two or more layers. So if we look on top of it, you can see it looks like an upside down wedding cake, and it'll have definitely the surface layer, and it could have two or more layers above it. A remote pilot needs authorization from the ATC before operating in Class Bravo airspace. So Class Bravo, Class Charlie, Class Delta, and Class Echo are all airspaces you need ATC authorization to fly in. Class B is definitely one of them. So the next video we'll look at Class C airspace. We're going to keep going through the FAA guidebook. Those videos will be in the description below the like button. It'll be in the playlist too to help you study for your Part 107.